Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jai Padmajaraj. Today I am going to show you how to grow wheatgrass and also wheatgrass benefits and how to take out wheatgrass juice. The WHO declares that these microgreens are like superfood. If you take every day 1 glass of microgreen juice, that's enough. You can cut down your belly fat without doing any dieting or without any exercises. Trust me, this is tested and proven. Have a look at the procedure of growing wheatgrass. Take some wheat grains and soak them in water for 24 hours. Now take the seeds and plant them in a tray of 1-inch soil mix of coco peat 50% and soil 50%. We can also grow them in soil that contains 100% coco peat, or they can also be grown on tissue paper or cloth. Cover them with additional soil from top and sprinkle some water enough for the soil to become moist. Keep the tray in a shaded area so that sprouts can come. Now wait for 48 hours to see the sprouts. When sprouts turn into small greens, you can put it in sun and keep watering them daily. We can see the wheatgrass growing up to 5 inches in 10 days. Let's see how to prepare wheatgrass juice. Cut the wheatgrass 1 inch from the root as seen in the video. The wheatgrass can be cut like this up to 2 times and it will again regrow. Wash the wheatgrass. Cut the wheatgrass into small pieces and then add it to a mixer jar and add some water to it. Now grind the wheatgrass and we can extract juice out of it by filtering the fiber part. As you might have noticed, this video is not a gardening video, it's a health video, and therefore I am going to talk about the health benefits of wheatgrass. Previously I have uploaded a video on microgreens where I have talked about how to grow microgreens. If you want to watch, you can find a link in the description section below. Drinking 1 glass of wheatgrass juice every day improves your health and also keeps your skin glowing. For those people who have hemoglobin deficiency, within 20 days they can improve their hemoglobin levels. You can reduce your tummy fat without doing any exercises or dieting. Friends, I like to drink wheatgrass juice by diluting it a little bit with water. Because it is too thick, it's hard to drink it. We can drink this wheatgrass juice as it is, or to make it taste better, we can add 1 tablespoon honey and some lemon juice. Mix these well and now our wheatgrass juice is ready to be consumed. Try this drink for 3 months regularly. You will see very positive results. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ajay Padmajaraj. Thanks for watching.